In my lab, we study the cellular and molecular mechanisms underlying memory dysfunction and neurodegeneration in Alzheimer's disease, focusing on early pathophysiological events affecting the structure and function of synapses. For this, we study both animal models and human samples to understand how Alzheimer's pathology affects the synapses of different neuronal populations. Alzheimer's disease and age-related dementias comprise a major health problem in our societies, affecting more than 50 million people around the world, causing a huge social and economical impact to the patients, their families, and to our social and healthcare systems. When patients are diagnosed, it means that the disease is already advanced, causing extensive loss of synapses and neurons. And current therapies do not stop the progression of the disease. That's why we aim to identify novel therapeutic targets and biomarkers for early detection and treatment of Alzheimer's disease.